Craving something rich, creamy, and absolutely delicious? Then this dish is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. With perfectly boiled eggs simmered in luscious spiced gravy, let's get some irresistible flavors to your table. For the recipe, you'll need 1 cup of grated coconut, 3 green chilies, edges as per your spice tolerance, handful of cashew nuts, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, and grind this to a smooth paste with sufficient water. To shallow fry the boiled eggs, heat some oil in a pan and add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon red chili powder, and a pinch of salt. Fry for 3 to 4 minutes on both sides until golden brown. For the curry, in a heavy bottom pan, heat some oil, add 2 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon stick, 2 green cardamom, 1 black cardamom, and 1 star anise. Once aromatic, add in the chopped onions, and cook until translucent with a pinch of salt. Add roughly 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, mix well and add 2 chopped tomatoes. Once the tomatoes turn mushy, add half tablespoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half tablespoon of coriander powder. Mix everything well with a splash of water to prevent it from burning. Once cooked well, add in the grounded coconut paste. And cover to cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Adjust consistency with 2 cups of boiling hot water and let it bubble for about 5 to 8 minutes until it thickens in consistency. Check for seasoning and add in the shallow fried eggs. Add 1 chicken bouillon cube for extra flavoring. Finally, add in some crushed kasturi methi and 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream. Mix well and the egg curry is ready to be served with some steamed rice, roti, paratha, anything you like. If you did like this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, comment down and let me know how you liked it. Try it out, share the pictures with me on Instagram, and last but not the least, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all super soon with another interesting recipe. Until then, take care and stay safe. Bye bye.